Hey, welcome to another video from Medical Gear Outfitters. In this video, we're going to talk about another popular product for us, and that's our MPAs. We stock all the way from 22 all the way up to the big nose hoses of 36. So typically, you can see we skip 28 right here. That's because 28s are over here, and those are our most popular sizes. That is going to be what you see in your IFAC and your trauma kits. Those fit most adults. Most adults. There again, we're talking about kids. 20 is right here. You can kind of see how small that is, going from a 20 up to say a 36, and bam. So we go from the nose down to the ear and curve around, and that is how you measure it. That is huge. Like, I would not recommend that, but we do. We have multiple different sizes, and you're talking about really small infants, probably like teenagers, small adults, large adults, huge adults like Goliath with David. So we also have the pre-lubed MPAs here. So we do send lubrication with these packets as well. So you'll need a lube packet, but we send all that with you. So if you're looking for an MPA, we have all the sizes in stock. This is going to be for when a patient cannot cough. So this goes into the nose. It needs some training, but this is for protecting someone's airway who cannot cough. I'll put a link down below to Medical Gear Outfitters. Thank you guys for all the support.